Hello, dear traders. My name is Petko Alexandrov, and I continue now with the course. Simply in this lecture, I would like to show you what happened with the Bitcoin yesterday and today, and why actually I am waiting this RVI zero line to be crossed by the RVI lines in order to place expert advisor back. So what you see, Bitcoin again reaching the skies, and we don't know when it will stop. And personally, I really don't care. What I mean is that I'm trading with the systems I have, I follow them strictly. I'm not putting myself into the greed, into the desire just to buy and wait, because you can see what happened in the last 1 hour, guys. Actually, it's not in the last 1 hour, but it's in the last 15 minutes. You can see that the Bitcoin reached 7,438.93, and for the last 15 minutes it fell down to 7,020. This is really huge move for 15 minutes, guys. And if I had my expert advisor now on the screen, let's go on H1, you will see that right now I had this buy signal from the RVI, and I would have an entry exactly at the opening of this bar. Yeah, so if I put it on M30, you will see that the open of the hourly bar, okay, the hourly bar opened at exactly this level. And just to show you what would have happened, because it's really hard to understand this way when you don't see the small movement inside. If I go to M15, so this is the beginning of the bar. You see here would be my entry from the H1. I hope it's clear. So if I'm trading on H1 and I had my expert advisor back, I'm having the cross here. Stochastic was showing as well long. So at the opening of this current bar, I would be in. And you see that if I go on M15, so this is the first 15 minutes, the second, and this is now the third 15 minutes. You see I would be in. So I would have been nearly $200 of profit, nearly my take profit, but the take profit wouldn't be reached and the price reversed strongly down. I would be into the never losing formula now. And I want you to understand me right. The never losing formula is a great tool because it's protecting our capital, it's protecting our trade. But the question is that I don't want to use it, okay? I don't want to get into the never losing formula. I want my take profits just to be hit and to be on the next trade and on the next trade. And of course, it's great to use it because obviously I don't have any losses by using the never losing formula, but I don't not want to use it. I prefer not to use it. I hope it's clear here, guys. I prefer to take my take profit instead of going into the never losing formula. Again, I say much better than having stop losses, much better than having losses at all. You see now even the price is doing like $100 or $200 of move, like nothing, like you're watching euro dollar on M1 chart. This looks like really euro dollar on M1 chart, guys. Really crazy. So you need to be smart during these times. You need to be not greedy. You need to follow strictly your system. And of course, if I have used this automatedly, fully automatedly, probably I would have had some good profits during this night. Okay, so I can check that as well, just to open the strategy. So you can see that I have data and this just a week ago or 5 days ago. So what I will do now, guys, I will put here the fresh data, yeah, and I will see what profits I would have had if I was trading it fully automatically during this market condition. So you see here I had this 105,402. So let's see what would be. What I need to do, guys, I need to export the history data, yeah, and I will just put it over here. So the spread, what we have is 11. Oh, but you can see what's going on actually at the moment. Even I'm having this stable spread during most of the time. Now the spread of the Bitcoin is nearly $25, guys. Even I make the correct backtest with the EA Studio, it won't be really proper and really correct, guys, because the spread is changing. You can see 54, 74, 72, nearly $20, and this is very common. I mean, now I can tell you with a certainty there are brokers that the spread is above $100, guys, for sure. They just do it with purpose. When the volatility is so high, the brokers are increasing really the spread. So let me just point one more time. It's 11,000. Okay, so we're not looking at this current bar, guys, with this huge spread that we are having at the moment, but let's just say what results we would have had before this current bar. And the commission here is 0.6, okay, for the broker that I have choose. So if I click on OK, I will export the history data, guys, from the recent hours. So it's 65,000, and this is actually a limitation that I'm having from the broker. From options to options, and from charts, you can increase the maximum bar is in chart, so you can do it like the maximum, for example. Okay, and if I click on OK, I will be having more. So if I export now as well, I need to go over one more time. So it's a spread of 11 and 1 and 0.6. I click on OK, and I will have, you see, on M1 chart. Even I'm not trading the M1 chart, guys, I just wanted to show you how you can increase the bars if you want to export your history data. Then I'm going to file, open data folder, and it's right on my other screen. So I go to MQL4, I'm going to files, and here is the data. So what we care about now is the data on H1, guys. So that's it. This is the data from the current moment. I will just put it on my other screen for a second. I will open the EA Studio one more time, and from tools I go to data import, and I need to drag this H1 over here. Okay, only the H1, because this is what we care. Okay, after that I go to the strategy again, and as you can see, data end is just now. Okay, 2nd of November, and you can see here that very nice profit. Okay, let me put it on the big screen so you can see. If I was using it fully automatically, guys, I would have made really good profits. So I just wanted to show you that. I was sure in that because I know the expert advisor, and I knew, so this is the journal, guys, and I knew that it would be only in profits. So let me just have a look at that. You can see this is the current day today. So it's just the day, guys, where you would have had really good profits from 31st of October, November 1st and 2nd. You can see opening long, and you can see here nearly $100, $1,000, guys, because 200, 156. So that's a really nice expert advisor, guys, but I'm not using it, again I say, this way, simply because I am happy using it the other way, the way that I have showed to you, by controlling it and by using the never losing system, because you see there are losses as well with the expert advisor. So this is the really nice thing with expert advisor studio, guys, that you can actually see what really would have happened, because the results here are totally the same if I run it with the MetaTrader backtester. So this is like really exactly the thing that would have happened if I have traded it fully automatically on the MetaTrader. So basically it's the same thing. If I do that, if I refresh the data and see the results instead of running a demo account on MetaTrader. Okay, I hope it's clear. You can have many strategies here in EA Studio. When you refresh the data, you will see exactly what would have happened if you have run it on a live account or on a demo account. So this is like really good thing as well. So that's why, guys, I'm providing you this expert advisor, okay, with exit condition, with the stop loss and the take profit. You can modify it the way you want. Let's go back to the MT4 to just to have a look at the Bitcoin, because it's really crazy at the moment. So it's up to you whether you want to use it fully automatically. You will have definitely good profits in times like that, but in the times when price is just reversing, there could be losses. It's up to you. Personally, I am happy of having smaller profits of $200, even few times, but I'm protected with my never losing formula, and I don't want to have any losses into my account, guys. And the other thing is that if you just buy it with the expert advisor at any moment, because it's easy to see, it's very easy now, guys, to tell you some things over the chart because I know what happened already. But if you were in this moment, you don't have an idea what will happen. Okay, if you were right here and you just buy it and you say, okay, I'm in $200 of profit, and now I will leave it because I want $1,000 of profit. And if at this moment happens what just happens, okay, what just happened, you can even lose your whole capital in the account and leave yourself frustrated. And that is just because you were greedy to do it. You were greedy to take more profit than the $200 that I have showed you how to be done. Okay, guys, pretty much that's it about it. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips and what is my opinion. Don't take it as a trading advice. It's not an advice. It's just how I see the market, how I want to trade safely, guys, because this is the most important. In the end, it's your choice how to use the expert advisor fully automatically, semi-automatically, or any other ways if you find for you to be profitable. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.